Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo games on PC. You can easily relive classic gaming moments by using free software called emulators, transforming your computer into a virtual console. We will cover the steps from choosing the right tools to acquiring game files and playing your favorite titles. This guide will make the entire process straightforward and enjoyable for everyone, ensuring a smooth setup. Selecting the right emulator is your first step. Popular choices include Yuzu for newer systems and Dolphin for older ones. Visit their official websites to ensure safe downloads, avoiding unofficial sources that might contain harmful software. The installation process usually takes just a few clicks, similar to any other program, and typically finishes in under 5 minutes. Always prioritize security when downloading any new software. Once your emulator is ready, you will need game files, often called ROMs. It is important to know that downloading games you do not own can have legal implications, so always be mindful of copyright. Reputable online archives offer a wide selection, but always verify their legitimacy. Loading these files into your emulator is usually a simple drag and drop or file open process, taking only seconds. Now for the fun part, setting up your controller and adjusting visuals. Most emulators support various gamepads, allowing you to map buttons just as you like, which typically takes about 5 to 10 minutes. You can also fine-tune graphics settings to enhance visual quality or improve performance, depending on your PC's capabilities. Enjoy rediscovering those beloved Nintendo adventures on your computer screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.